Cheetos.
No, you must choose the paintbrush.
But I want the Cheetos.
Just do as I say.
Okay. All right. I have my paintbrush.
Here, it's a magic paintbrush, so I'm going to need you to paint me lots of money. Honey, how is the painting going?
Done. Here, Mother.
Perfect. Now keep painting money.
Mother, I'm exhausted. I've been painting money for hours.
Too bad. Keep painting money.
I can't do this anymore. I'm starving, and she's keeping all the money for herself. I know what to do.
Honey, did you pay Mommy lots of money?
I painted you something extra special.
Let me see.
Nope.
You painted a gun? Look at her legs. They're all bumpy. I know. We should start calling her octopus legs. That's a good one. Honey, how was school?
Not good. The girls in my gym class were making fun of me because I have razor bumps all over my legs. I hate shaving. I can never do it right.
Here, try this. It's the Joe's Venus Pro.
What's this?
It's a painless, skin-friendly, and permanent way to remove hair. Before use, you need to prep the skin by using the 5-blade razor that comes in the box and shave the desired area. Then, you plug in the Joe's Venus Pro and put it on the desired setting based on where you're removing hair.
Is that it? And then I just hold it to the area I want to remove the hair?
Yes, but wait, you'll need these goggles. The light can be quite strong, and I don't want you to have any eye damage. Those glasses look great. You're ready to go. Look at you. You're already a pro. Right up and get your bag of air.
I will take them. All of them.
But Your Majesty, that will be 10 wagons full of air. What about the townspeople?
Who cares? I need all the air I can get.
Your Majesty, the townspeople are worried because you bought all of the bagged air. They're starting to run low on oxygen.
I am the queen. Is my oxygen not more important than everyone else's?
Ma'am, can I please have a bag of air? I can't breathe.
No, you're small. Why would you need air?
Attention townspeople, there has been a recall on the recent batch of air. There has been found traces of poison inside the air. In small amounts, you should be fine, but overconsumption may be deadly.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Grandma.
I am dying. I will be gone by tomorrow.
Goodbye, Grandma. Everyone must go at some point.
After high school, I would like to marry you for financial stability.
I agree. It's the most logical thing to do.
It is.
Another day of learning has been completed.
Hey you. Yes, you. Do you know what an emotion is? Happiness, anger, love.
Emotion? Are you making up a word?
No, they're all real. Do you know why people get married?
Yes, to repopulate the earth and for financial stability.
It's for love. Man with emotion has been spotted. Oh no, I've been spotted. I don't have much time left. Take these tapes. It'll explain all the basics on emotions, and there's more where that came from. The tapes will lead you where you need to go. Please, don't shoot.
Mommy, what's on my face? It won't come off.
That mark will never go away. You get a mark every time your soulmate gets hurt.
You mean when he gets an owie?
Yes, but not a physical one. An emotional one. Great, you're here. I'm glad I found you. We need to break up.
What? Why?
We can't be together. You're not my soulmate. You have all those marks on your face. I haven't been hurt that many times.
Fine. Whatever.
Hey, you haven't said anything all class. Are you okay?
My boyfriend broke up with me because I have so many marks. He said he's never been hurt that many times. I really thought he was my soulmate.
Not only are you short, but you're also dumb.
Hey, leave that dumb short kid alone. Are you okay?
Yeah, I think you're my soulmate.
Huh?
Freeze tag.
Bestie, why did you just freeze me?
Unfreeze. Hurry, unfreeze me too! Oh no, it's too late! Seriously? Freezing your own best friend? Why would you do that? I'm so sorry.
Sorry that you tried to kill me?
Things are bad at home right now. I really needed the prize money. I wasn't thinking.
What you did was unforgivable. Don't talk to me anymore.
Hey, you killed my boyfriend!
Who? Derek? I think I did you a favor.
Freeze tag. You're gonna get what you deserve.
No!
Unfreeze.
Jake!
Freeze tag. Oh, unfreeze me! She's the one who killed Derek! Let's get out of here.
This school's gone crazy.
I know, it's getting really dangerous around here. Hey, you and I should maybe team up. Freeze tag!
Help! Help! Unfreeze me! Please! Teacher! Teacher!
Unfreeze. Derek, that game is very dangerous. It's only used to kill people. You know the rules. You play freeze tag and you're expelled. Attention everyone, you will no longer be expelled for playing freeze tag. In fact, the government encourages it and you will receive a cash reward if you play. This can't be real.
That's awful. Who would play that game?
Freeze tag! Help me, I'm frozen!
Unfreeze. Derek, don't do that!
Did you hear what Derek did?
No. What did he do?
He's running around the school playing freeze tag. He's killed 2 people already. And the worst part is, he received money for those he killed. Let's run this way, Derek's coming. Hello, ladies.
Freeze tag, Derek!
No! Unfreeze me! Freeze tag.
Bestie, why did you just freeze me?
Trick or treat! Here you go, happy Halloween! Thank you!
Thanks.
Why aren't you smiling? Come on, it's Halloween!
Because I'd much rather be at a party with my friends, but I had to take my little sister trick-or-treating.
Trick or treat! So, what would you like, a trick or a treat? A treat, a treat! And you?
A treat, obviously.
What if you could get both, a trick and a treat?
Yeah, sure, whatever. Give me both.
Here you go. You could really use a smile.
That's your trick? A smiley face gumball? So lame.
Trick or treat! Sissy, you're finally smiling!
Okay, oh
What?
my god. Okay, oh my god.
Look at your hand.
Oh no, I must have had some kind of reaction to the poisonous gas. Your face, it's turning green.
I don't feel so good.
It's not supposed to be time yet. Hold your breath as long as you can. It's impossible to hold our breath that long.
I know.
You're getting worse.
Me? What about you? Look at your arm. I got the oxygen can 3000. It's way better than those silly gas masks.
Hey, rich boy, give me that oxygen tank. Here, I got you this oxygen tank. You need to use it right away. You're not breathing well at all.
It's too late.
I want the red flavor.
No! You could have had $1 million!
Oh no, what did I pick?
You can see how people die.
I don't want to see that.
This is the best sandwich I've ever had.
I'd stop eating that if I were you. You're gonna choke.
No, I won't. Are you going to Kevin's party tonight?
No, I was just gonna stay home tonight.
Come on, you have to go. It's going to be the banger of the year.
You shouldn't go to Kevin's party.
Kevin's party's tonight. Are you coming through?
I'm not.
Come on, don't be lame. Aw, are you worried you're going to be left out? Don't worry. You can hang out with me and my friends, okay?
I gotta stop this party. How am I still alive?
Oh no, all the people who didn't have gas masks are dead. Not everyone. Brianna's still alive. That's impossible. How can she hold her breath for 10 minutes and still be alive? OMG, you're alive!
No way. How did you survive? You didn't have a gas mask.
I don't know. I couldn't hold my breath any longer, so I just breathed in the gas.
So did I. I'm not gonna fight it anymore.
We breathed in the gas. How are we surviving?
I think the people that died didn't die from the gas. They died from holding their breath.
Look at your hand! Uh-oh, the poisonous gas is being released. Hurry, hold your breath! Alright, everyone, here's your gas mask. It will stop you from breathing in the poisonous gas being released.
Excuse me, I didn't get one.
There's not enough gas masks for everyone. The families with the highest incomes are given it first.
But that's not fair. The rest of us are going to die. We can't keep holding our breath forever.
You'll have to try.
Oh no.
It's not fair. They get masks and we don't. It's like they're trying to get rid of us.
I know. And the times we're getting to hold our breath are getting longer and longer.
Come on, pick up the pace! Keep running!
I can't. I'm out of breath. What? I'm smiling. I'm smiling.
We'll let you off with a warning.
A warning? They never got a warning. My boyfriend, my best friend, my 5-year-old sister.
Your mother would be very upset you're acting this way.
Mother?
Yeah, the creator of the smiling law. She told us to show no mercy to her children, but I figured she'd be upset if both her daughters were gone. Where's your smile?
You're the creator of the smiling law.
Is that a problem, honey?
Think of all the people that died because of you. Little sister, she was only 5 years old.
And she didn't obey the law, and neither did you. Where are the police?
You're a monster.
Looks like I'm going to have to get rid of you myself. Come on, honey. You've already lost everyone. You really want to lose your mother, too?
You're the only one I wanted to lose. Baby, they're watching. Hurry up. Smile. Baby.